Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect wired headphones to the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. Unfortunately, the Galaxy A56 does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can't plug headphones in directly. To use wired headphones, you need a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter. Just plug the adapter into the phone. Then connect the headphones to the adapter. That's it, but there is an important part. Not every adapter will work. When buying a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter for Samsung, you must choose one with built-in DAC. DAC means digital to analog converter. Samsung phones does not send analog audio through the USB-C port, so if you buy a very cheap passive adapter without the DAC, the phone won't recognize it and you will get not sound at all. That's why when buying an adapter, you must always check the product description and make sure it clearly says built-in DAC. This is crucial and it's the most common mistake people make, so be aware. And that's why I personally recommend the original Samsung adapter. The official Samsung adapter gives you guaranteed compatibility. Samsung use high quality DAC, audio works perfectly, the microphone and headphones works, and even the volume controls work correctly. I mean volume controls on the headphones when you have on the cable. So this is the EE-UC10J model. And that's all. Thank you for watching and follow for more smartphone tips and tutorials. Bye.